Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from your Phantom Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between wallets is a common task, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any losses. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and a verified account on Bitrue, the exchange we're sending to. Also, double-check that you have some BNB in your Phantom Wallet. Nothing worse than trying to transfer what isn't there. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and connect to the correct network. Since BNB is on the BNB Smart Chain, ensure your wallet is set to that chain to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're in, navigate to your BNB balance and select the Send or Transfer option. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to your wallet section, and find your BNB deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so no typos allowed. Paste this address into the recipient field in your Phantom Wallet. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the blockchain can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to confirm when the BNB arrives. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams. In 2025, with evolving tech, make sure your wallet and exchange are updated for the latest security patches. That's it for this guide. You've now successfully transferred BNB from Phantom to Bitrue. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.